It is May the 17th of 2026, and now I can tell you why your success is guaranteed. The message that I received from Wilhelm last year on May 17th of 2025 said, "You will accept more today." And for each of us, that would mean that we would accept more about who we are, who we become, what our life has come to offer us, or whatever we have discovered about ourselves, basically, and what are we going to give back to others? So what I discovered is that I developed a way for you to live your best life, move through any difficulties, any trauma, become confident, fall in love with yourself, and succeed. Now, I didn't know that that was going to be my life. I didn't know I was going to turn into a mystic. I didn't know I was going to turn into a savant and with genius qualities that could organize all of this information that would cause you to become successful. But I know that I have. And I had to go through all these years of testing to see what would happen, and it caused healing and awareness and alignment within me, and it would do the same for anyone else. And so now I'm sitting here looking at my life of 37 years of work that has produced a system that will take any person to the success they're meant to experience in their life because they will become aligned with their authentic selves and ascend to a much higher state of understanding and consciousness. We will not all do that. Everyone won't do it. I didn't do it for the longest time, which is why I'm changing today. But you have an opportunity today to have all of this because tomorrow this work is going into that $5,000 realm. But today there's few people who can take it at this fraction of a cost because you're going to prove to yourself and to everyone else that this work does exactly what it says it will do, which is causes you to live your authentic life. And so then you will have life success. And that's really what we're all seeking. Check it all out. Today is your opportunity. See you soon.